Nick, aka Music Bitch Face Marty. For the last 7 years, you've done nothing but steal from me and rob me. You've done nothing but attack my friends and my family. You've done nothing but try to make me look like shit while you steal from me. You've done nothing but attack me and make me look like something that I'm not. But what you fail to realize, Marty, is one simple thing. Without me, you wouldn't be shit. Without me, you wouldn't have a goddamn channel. Without me, you would be nothing. You wouldn't be anywhere without me. Don't believe me? Ask anyone. Even the trolls fucking know that without me, you have nothing. Ask the trolls. Without me, you wouldn't be shit. You didn't make me, I made you. I made you, Nick. You didn't make me, I made you. I'm the reason that you got all those subs. I'm the reason that you got a name. I'm the reason that you got somewhere. You didn't make me, you faggot. I made you. I own you, motherfucker. You don't own me, bitch. I own you. I made you, and I will destroy you. Now, Nick, we can do this one of two ways. You can either stand down. You can either stand down and hand over that Xbox that's rightfully mine, or you got two options outside of that. I can either call the police and have them knock on your doorstep, or two, I can show up at your house. And trust me when I say, I show up to your house, it ain't gonna be pretty. Because when I show up to your house, I'll be beating your ass with this. And you can call the cops if you want to. I don't fucking care. Because the cops ain't gonna stop what I do to you. They ain't gonna stop what I do to you. Because believe me when I say, Nick, you've done nothing but bully me for the last 7 years. Hey, dumb fuck troll, why don't you fuck off and get a life, you bitch made? So go ahead, Nick. Take your pick. Either hand over the Xbox that's rightfully mine, and you send it here, or I come knocking on your damn doorstep with this in hand to beat your ass. If you don't believe me, bring it. I'm tired of you running and hiding like a bitch. Because let's be honest, Nick. You bought your 10,000 subs. You didn't earn those. You bought those. You're a cheapskate. You're a fucking liar and a cheapskate. All you do is lie to motherfuckers. You want to sit there and run your mouth? Come get me. Trust me when I say, Nick, I'm not afraid of you. I'm not scared of you. All you are is a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit loser with no life. So, Nick, you want to do something? Come and get me. Come on. You fucking coward. You're a bitch. A pussy. Oh, and the same goes for you, MF Goon. You fuck with my family again, MF Goon. I'm coming for you. The same way I'm coming after Marty. Once I find your address, I'm coming for you next, boy. And William Gordon, don't think I forgot about you. You're on that list as well, son. You think I'm playing around? Fuck around and find out, bitch. Cause trust me when I say, MF Goon, you ain't shit. You're a crash test dummy for Marty. That's all you are, is a crash test dummy. But Marty, your head belongs to me. Your ass is mine. You've done nothing but bully me and other people. And now it's time for a little payback. So, Nick, you want me, bitch? Come and get me. I'm not afraid. You want me, Nick? Come up here and find out how serious I am about beating your ass. Cause trust me when I say, Nick, if you make me come there, it's gonna be a lot worse for you than it is for me. You think I'm playing, Nick? I'm dead serious, boy. You make me come there, it's gonna be a lot worse for you than it is for me. Cause see, unlike you, Nick, I'm not afraid to go to prison for beating your ass. I'm not afraid to go to jail for beating your ass. Besides, I owe you an ass beating. So like I said, Nick, take your choice. But like I said, you make me come to you, it's gonna be a lot worse than if you show up here. A lot worse. So like I said, you got three options. Either send me the Xbox by mail to my house, or show up here and face me, or don't make me come there. Because if I have to come there, it'll be a lot worse for you. You can send the cops, send whoever. I don't give a fuck anymore. I give no fucks. You want to act like a tough guy, Nick? Let's go. You want to act like a hard ass? You don't know what a hard ass is. You think I'm afraid to beat your faggot ass? I'm not afraid. As a matter of fact, I want to beat your ass. I want to do harm to you. I want to hurt you the same way you hurt me all these years. The same way you hurt my friends. The same way you hurt my family. I want to return the favor. It's time I return the favor, Nick. You hurt my family and my friends. your ass is mine. All you've done is lie. All you've done is cheat, steal, and attack. You're a weak-ass coward. You're a weak little bitch. You're a weak-ass bitch. That's all you are, Nick. You're weak. You're a weak little fat fuck. So trust me when I say, Nick, I'm not afraid to go to war. I was made for war. Cause trust me when I say, Nick, I'm battle tested and I'm fucking ready. You wanna go to war? Let's do this. You wanna go to war, boy? Let's fucking do it. Cause trust me when I say I will outlast you. You wanna go to war? Bring your best. Because trust me when I say I'm battle tested and I'm fucking ready. I was born for war. I was born for battle. So what's it gonna be, Nick? Are you gonna give me what's rightfully mine? Or do we have to go to war? Because if we have to go to war, I'm ready. I'm not afraid to go to war with a fat ass who can't do shit. You want to go to war, Nick? You better be fucking ready. Because you're fucking with a modern day Viking. You seem to forget, Nick, that I have Viking in my blood. You forget I have Norwegian in my blood, which makes me a fucking Viking. And trust me when I say I have a lot of Viking brothers and sisters that have got my back. So if you want to go to war, Nick, you better be ready to meet your fucking maker. Because when we go to war, I'm out for blood. I'm not out for whatever you think. You want to go to war, Nick, you better be ready to lose. Because the only way you're leaving is in handcuffs off this platform. Like I said, Nick, unlike you, I have honor. I have respect. But you have nothing but cowardice in your blood. You are no warrior. You have no blood of a warrior. You have no honor. You have no respect. You're a cheapskate, a monster. That's all you are. You're a lying piece of shit, cheapskate, and a scam artist. You have no honor. You have no respect. You don't have an honest bone in your body, Nick. So Marty, Nick, I'm calling you out. I'm calling you out full blown, boy. Take your pick, Nick. Either hand over the Xbox like an honorable human and prove to me that you got respect. Either send me the Xbox by mail and you prove to me that you have honor and that you have respect. or we're going to war and I'm destroying you. So take your pick, man. What's it gonna be? Are you gonna hand over what's rightfully mine? Or do I get to go to war and beat your sorry ass and make you regret ever fucking with me? Take your pick, boy. Take your fucking pick. I'm not playing around. You done pushed me 7 years. And it's time for you to pay for what you've done to me. What you've done to my friends. What you've done to my family. You can sit there and laugh all you want, Nick, but I'm calling you out. And this ain't Cyraxx talking to Music Biz Marty. This is Chance Finley Wilkins talking to Nicholas Beagler. What you fail to realize, Nick, is that I made you. I made you who you are. I'm your daddy. I made you. You wouldn't have shit if it wasn't for me. You wouldn't have shit. And you know you wouldn't have shit. So what's it gonna be, Nick? Are you gonna be an honorable human being and hand over what's rightfully mine? Or do I get to come after you and come for your neck? Take your pick. And if you think this hammer won't go upside your skull, fuck around and find out. Watch how fast this thing goes upside your head. That ain't no threat either, that's a promise. So if you think I'm playing around, let's go. You think you're Mr. Funny Man, right? Not today, bitch. Not today. If you're here to vouch for Nick, you better tell him to get fucking ready, because I'm coming for him. Let's go, Nick. What's it gonna be? You gonna hand over what's rightfully mine, or do I have to beat your goddamn ass? Take your pick. Take your motherfucking pick. Are you gonna hand over what's rightfully mine? Or do I have to come after you and everyone you love? Because trust when I say I will come after you, your mom, your dad, your brothers, your sisters. I will come after everyone you've ever cared about. Or how about I come after Saren, your little bitch girlfriend? How about I go after her? The same way you went after my girl. How about I go after yours, Nick? If you're here to stand up for Marty, you can tell him that I'm coming for him. Like I said, Nick, you want me to go after your girl? You want me to go after Sarah? Because I will. How about I go after your girl the way you tried to go after mine? Maybe I should go after Sarah and her family, huh? How about that? How about I go after your little bitch slutty ass girlfriend and her family, huh? How about I do that? So, Marty, I want you to think real long and hard. I want you to think real long and hard, boy. Because if you don't make a decision by tomorrow, I'll make it for you. And I will be coming after you, both legally and physically. So take your pick, Nick. And be fucking smart. Don't make a stupid move that you'll regret.